everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from Outre, and this one is brought to you by DRFF.com. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Outre, and her name is Every25. This is a part of their Everywhere line. And this is one of their everyday wigs, so it's very easy throw on and go type of units that they do feature in this line. And this one is Every25, and she's a very cute, short, simple, easy throw on and go wig, and it's a lace front wig as well. So before I get into my thoughts, let's get into the specs of this unit. So this unit has 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and this is only a middle part unit. This middle part unit here, it goes back around 4 to 5 inches, and as you all can tell, it looks pretty natural. I did add my lace powder to the lace parting, and I also put a little bit of foundation in the lace underneath the cap, so that way it could give off a more natural look. And I have her in the color 1. This comes in a variety of other colors, so if you are looking for more of a pop in the color, you can definitely go and check them out. This is what the stock card looks like. The model has on a copper red and also like a blonde color. So if you're interested in these colors, they're also pretty as well. And they're very, not super bright. I mean, this will be probably the brightest color you will get out of this collection. But this isn't, like super vibrant green, oranges and stuff like that. It's just pretty much, you have that one staple bright color, and then the rest will be pretty much wearable, if you will. So the length of this unit is 10 inches in length. As you all can tell, it's quite short. It's literally right at the neck here, so it's not a lot, and perfect for the spring. As you all know, we are coming into the warmer months, so we're looking for shorter hair. So this is perfect for right now, coming into spring, summer. This will be a very cute wig to snag, especially if you are looking for something that is an everyday look or something that is very easy for you to throw on and go. Especially if you're new to wigs, this will be one of those wigs that you can go ahead and purchase on DRFF.com. Now, as far as any additional fees for the colors, as you all know, please click through DRFF.com through the different colors, and you will see the price change. I know for this particular wig, it is a price change with the unit, so definitely keep an eye out for that when clicking through the different colors on DRFF.com, because there is an additional fee for these colors right here. So definitely go ahead and check that out. And also at the back of the stock card, you will see all the different colors that they do have there as well. They have all different types of colors, like their copper, orange, golden amber, and so on. You can definitely go ahead and check those out. I like the wig. It's very easy. It's not a lot to do. It's very throw on and go, nice and short, very, very nice. And there's not a lot of maintenance in terms of having to glue anything down or anything like that. It's not that, complicated. So you can definitely go ahead and check out this unit. It's definitely very cute and very easy. You can definitely go ahead and purchase it on DRFF.com. Thank you so much, DRFF, for allowing me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.